my channel. Today we are going to be decorating for Christmas. It's like the second week of November, and so this is kind of late for me. I usually decorate a lot earlier, but it was the first snowfall yesterday and it just really got me in the mood to start decorating, so I'm so excited. I hope if you guys haven't decorated already, this puts you in the spirit to start decorating, or it just lifts your mood, because there's nothing better than like the ambiance of the Christmas tree and just Christmas decorations in the home. It can't not make you happy. So I'm so excited to be sharing this video with you guys. If you guys are new here, my name's Selah. I do different travel and lifestyle videos, and I post new videos every single week. If you guys would like to be a part of the family, then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. I would love to have you, and don't forget to hit the bell so that you never miss a notification. And let's start decorating. I have already cleaned my house to get everything prepared, but we have to take down like all of the pumpkins and fall decor. I would like to leave it up for Thanksgiving, since I am hosting Thanksgiving this year, but I just feel like it's gonna clash with the Christmas decor, so I think we're just gonna stick to just Christmas. I put up my fall decor really early, so I feel like it's had its time, so now it's time for Christmas. Also, I do have a baby boy. If you guys are new to my channel, he is 2 months old, so this will be his first Christmas, and he's only gonna be like 3 months old by the time Christmas hits, or like 3.5 months old. So he doesn't really know what's going on or anything, and I will say, all of my Christmas decor is like pink and very, very girly. So this is like my last hurrah, I feel like, for my Christmas decor, to really have all of the pink. Since I do have a baby boy, next year I'm definitely going to do like more traditional colors, and like red, gold, green, white, silver, just because next year he'll be like 1.5 and he'll kind of know what's going on more, and I want him to have like the first fun, colorful first Christmas, not pink. So let's put out my pink Christmas decor, because this is the last year for it in the main room. I will still always have my pink Christmas decor in my office, but for the ambiance of the house, it's not going to be pink next year. So I'm going to have my moment this year. Let's start decorating. First things first, I always turn on some ambiance while I'm decorating. So I've been really loving these like jazz ambiance Christmas videos on YouTube, and I especially play them when Carter's here, because they're like instrumental, just like soothing sounds. So on YouTube like this, so there's like a bunch of different ones to pick from. So just type in like coffee shop jazz or like Christmas ambiance, like something along those lines, and like these will all pop up. So like I said, there's so many. So this one's cute, outdoor coffee shop vibe. I'm also gonna be enjoying an Alani while we decorate. I wish I had like a Christmas flavor, but I haven't been able to try one of the Christmas Alanis yet. But this is Sherbet Swirl, and I love this one. Cheers. Let's get decorating. Okay, so we need to get out. Do not judge this closet. What we are not gonna do is judge this closet. It's my closet mixed with Ryan's closet mixed with Carter's closet, and it's just also our storage closet, so it's such a mess. But speaking of storage, I have to grab out the fall bin, because we're gonna put all the pumpkins and stuff away in the fall bin, and then I'm also going to grab out, there are some Christmas bins in here. Normally I have like my 10-foot white tree. If you guys have been following along my videos, I love that tree. It is amazing, but the way that this apartment is set up, the tallest part of the ceilings are in the kitchen, and I don't want to put the tree there. So we're just gonna do my small tree that's usually in my office is here, so it's kind of underwhelming. But next year we are moving, so next year I will just get a whole nother tree. I just didn't see the point to get a new tree just for 1 year for this year. So let's pull out the fall bin. Oh, this is such a hot mess. Okay, this is some Christmas stuff, but I think these are all bulbs that go on the big tree. So we're actually not going to be needing this bin, because this is for my beautiful white tree that I will be missing this year. But it's okay. Alright. let's start cleaning these pumpkins.
Alone it's Christmas, but I won't wait till next year.
These were such a vibe. I'm kind of sad to be putting them away.
And feel the distance we've had with decorations in my bag. He's taking it slow, won't work in time. It's only so long for
I am gonna be keeping these little fairy lights for like where the stockings go, but my cat eats them, so for now I'm gonna hide them. But these pumpkins, or garlic cloves as my husband thinks they were, can go. We're making progress.
season that you've been waiting for. Let me be your family this Christmas. Give to you myself this year, I promise on your.
Another fun thing that I did is I put this tree that's usually always in my living room, I put it in my bedroom, my dresser, because where this was is where the little office tree is gonna go, like our Christmas tree for the year. But I think this is really cute, and it makes the bedroom festive too, so love that. Okay, so now for the part that I've been dreading about this whole like decorate with me video is like conquering down here, because in that hallway closet is, again, we only have like 2 storage closets. I have that closet that's in Carter's / Ryan's room, and then the closet downstairs, which is being used for coats, shoes, also Christmas decor, and like a bunch of other storage, because we don't have like a towel or like utility closet. So a lot of stuff gets stored down there. So what I'm going to try to do is like tackle / organize it, plus like get rid of the Christmas stuff that I no longer need. There's some bulbs and like Christmas decor in there from like 10 years ago that I know I'm just never going to use, like old bulbs, stuff like that. So I'm going to get rid of those and then bring up the tree, because the tree is also in that closet, and then I have to clean down there because that's one task that I didn't do yet. And then also I remembered last night that the top part of my tree, those lights burnt out last year, like right before Christmas. So I had to panic order some lights from Amazon, so they'll be coming in like 2-ish hours. So decorating the tree is probably gonna be the last thing that we do, because I have to wait for those lights. I'm gonna take up all of the summer shoes that we're not gonna wear for a while. Like, these don't need to be down here.
Alone it's Christmas.
Just wait until you guys see in here. I just stubbed my toe. Okay. Oh boy. I don't even know where to begin. All the Christmas pillows are in here. Ugh. All I'm saying is thank God I'm not pregnant anymore, because this would not be happening if I was still pregnant. Bringing all of this up the stairs. Okay, be right back. Now that I'm so out of breath, let's get into it. It's always fun like opening all of the boxes from the year before, because you like forget what you have. So it's like having new stuff. So I'm gonna pull everything out, set it on the table, and then we're gonna disperse like where we wanna put it.
Alone it's Christmas, but I won't wait till next year to try.
Taking all these old lights off because, like I said, I'm getting new lights.
We've had with decorations in my bag. He's taking it slow, won't work in time. It's only so long for Christmas lights. It can't be a song you sing sometimes. I need you to sing it for your whole life. So let me be your family this Christmas. Let this be the season.
Thinking about putting this up here.
Family this Christmas. Give to you myself this year, I promise I'm yours. This year you've left me wondering just how you're feeling, and I want you to know my doubts about his realize.
stuff laid out on the table, all the stuff that I know that I'm going to be using. But now that I can see it clearly, let's start putting it around the house. I'm gonna start down here just because this is pretty empty, so it should be pretty easy to fill up.
Don't be a stranger, be my date. Without you, this ain't a holiday. So let me be your family this Christmas. Be your family. Let this be the season.
Now I'm gonna do the mantle. Let's start putting the stockings on. I realized last night too when I was panic ordering stuff that Carter does not have a stocking yet. So I ordered him like a little customized light blue stocking. That won't get here until the end of the month. And then I also got him, like, I only had 2 stocking holders. So I also got 2 more. So those will be coming later on too. But for now I'm going to hang mine and Ryan's stockings and see what else I can fit up here and make it look cute.
Let me be your family this Christmas.
Gonna add those fairy lights. And then I want to hide the battery pack, so I'm definitely gonna have to put something else. Minus all the wiring because we can't put like huge holes in the wall. This actually looks pretty cute. Now I think I'm gonna put that little house right here. So let me grab it and see how that looks. I love that, love that. Okay, sorry for the weird glare right now. This table is actually gonna be moved into the main living room, not over here. We just have Carter's toys and swing over there for now, but this is gonna be for Thanksgiving, like in the main room, so I still want to decorate this. So let's start by adding our candles to these gorgeous candlesticks. If you guys saw my TJ Maxx shop with me, that's when I got these. And then let's decorate this coffee table. I love how that looks. So cute. I also just put this little tree on my bar cart, and then I put him up there on my bookshelf, which I think he looks so cute up there. So the lights actually just got delivered. I am a doofus and forgot to actually see how long these are, but my tree is relatively small and this seems pretty long, so I'm thinking this will be enough. Let's hope. So now we can go ahead, now that I have pretty much everything, I just need to figure out where to put these like last couple trees, but now that I have everything decorated, I can go ahead and start the tree. I think I might hang these actually in the kitchen. I think this could be really cute. Actually, that's not gonna work because then we can't really get into the cabinets, so I think I'm just gonna put them here because I don't really use these cabinets that much. I fear I got so many lights, like so much more than I needed.
With decorations in my bag, he's taking it slow, won't work in time. It's only so long for Christmas lights. It can't be a song you sing sometimes. I need you to sing it for your whole life. So let me be your family this Christmas. Let this be the season that you've been waiting for. Let me be your family this Christmas. Give to
Okay,
you.
so I have the lights on the tree. I think I'm gonna do this pretty pink bow for the top, and then we're gonna start decorating. The vibes are like this. So I also have like this garland that I put on every year, so let's start adding that stuff. Got like carriages. Look at this, a chocolate covered pretzel. Are you kidding me? Milkshake. This little pig.
This Christmas, give to you myself this year. I promise I'm yours. This year you've left me wondering just how you're feeling, and I want you to know my doubts about his real lies. Me walking barefoot in the San Diego snow. I wanna make feel something familiar. I celebrate you. God did his thing with you. Don't be a stranger, be my date. Without you, this ain't a holiday. So let me be your family this Christmas. Be your family. Let this be the season that you've been waiting for. Let me be your family this Christmas. Give to you myself this year. I promise I'm yours.
Okay, I'm seriously obsessed with how all the decorating turned out. It looks so good. It's such a vibe in here. I love my pink Christmas. I'm sorry, Carter, next year I promise you will have a traditional beautiful red green Christmas, but this year, like I said, it is my last year to decorate in pink girly gumdrop wonderland. I'm so excited. I love it. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like at night too, because now that it's dark outside, it's such a vibe. And let me go ahead and clean everything up, and then I'll show you guys like the finished product. Okay guys, so here is a little overview of the main room with the lights on. Don't mind that mess. Now I'll show you with the lights off.
Family this Christmas. Give to you myself this year. I promise I'm yours. This year you've left me wondering.
That's it for today's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed decorating for Christmas with me. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys have already decorated for Christmas yet, or if you're waiting until after Thanksgiving like a lot of people do as well. As always, if you guys enjoyed, please give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you in my next video.
Make you, I wanna make you, I wanna make you feel something.